love truth. I'm ready, team. My invitation on. Everybody recharge. Recharge. Which girl is add me? Add me. What should I tell her for add me? I feel like Ali right now. Bro, she not ready to play with me alone, bro. Make it on, bro.
Yeah.
You. Yes, sir.
Yo. Yes, you know.
You know me, I said.
No, tell me yes, you know.
You know, sir.
So really, we're gonna really. No, what's what I said?
Huh?
I said.
So you can't talk? I'm out.
You don't change though.
What do you mean me not change?
You don't change.
You change. When I lose a vex.
No, I'm not vex.
So I can name a team. So I can name a team vex. You have to vex when I lose. Why? Fabbi.
What's the JJ?
Why?
What's the JJ now?
Wait. I want to stop. I want to to sleep now.
Find him.
Fine. Oh. Who wants Fabbi to play over here?
Yo, DJ. Yo.
Just feel like all time.
Surprise! Surprise!
Just feel familiar.
Surprise!
My bitch. Fabbi, alright?
No.
Fabbi, you alright?
Oh,
Alright. Reunion? What kind of reunion? But me tell you, so me I get her 2 weeks still. I know Fabbi like my back a man, you know. So,
huh?
alright, now go well. I think I'm me alone love Capri Sun. Yeah, I love Capri Sun. How are you going in such a good no, guys? How I never see your logo. You got send her Chris. Them just started. Well, man, we're still in the chat. Everybody are their own adults.
Yo. Everybody's surprised. You surprised too? Not you alone.
So it officially now?
No?
Oh, just a play a match. Okay. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. All right, go on. Hope you win. Yeah?
Against who?
And how much you not play, Fabbi?
Him say man play a match with me.
Yeah, man. Okay. All right. I understand. All right, look come here. When you're done, we talk. Me soon come.
CJ, no, you're not act right.
How me act?
Oh yeah, son, sir.
No, I just say nothing wrong. If you see I play too much, so me I tell go and play a match and thing. Nothing wrong with that. I would say, hold on there. Move your shiny bum. I wish. Hold on, I'm find. I'm pull up that girl profile first. How is she gone? She gone.
Sean.
You're too enough. Alright. Sasha, no worries, but I can't address you.
And who else is there for the thing? Reunited about the real way. Who else is there? You have missed out somebody.
For reunite what?
Yeah. The real reunion. Who else is there again?
You're not just saying a reunion.
When I talk to yourself, when I talk to TJ.
What triple A?
Triple A.
Tell triple me I come play. What triple the hand, guys? Tell triple me I come. Fab, now look, I go play triple when until you're done. Yeah? Guys, don't tell triple some call her. So good, Jordan. What's up, dog? Good. Come on for my live. Oh, a fake page. Alright, no bother. Fabbi, alright, tell triple me I come out. No, on a 4-way chat. Tell triple me I come play by myself. Fabbi, me so when they done, me come here. What now?
Something alright. I'm famous to do this.
I passed them. Who would have won?